Oluchukwu. One God, one voice. I've walked through fire, I've walked through rain, seen hard times, I've felt the pain. But every step I'm still alive, 'cause something stronger guides my life. Anywhere I go, I know they fear. Even for darkness, I see clear. No be by power, no be by might. Now grace they win every fight. Nimbem dara, aweli rimelu. When I fell, nimesobu achekwa baramu. In trouble, ahagibu ikena do. Your name is strength and life. Oluchukwu, voice of the Most High. When you call my name, I rise. Oluwalonsonami. Nakai nakebi ya ubangi. Oluchukwu, I believe. From my heart to eternity, one voice, one faith, one truth. Oluchukwu, we call on you. Nibati ayeba nira. When life gets hard, Momo pe o ambe, I know you are there. You never sleep, you never fail. Your promises will always stand. Onami walore. My path is in your hand. I put my future in your plan. When my strength is fading low, your love they carry me go. Koda dunia taju ya mini baya. Kaine kakuata. When my voice breaks, when I tire, now you I call my defender. Oluchukwu, voice of the Most High. When you call my name, I rise. Oluwalonsonami. Nakai nakebi ya ubangiji. Oluchukwu, we believe. Every tribe and every creed. One God, one sound, one truth. Oluchukwu, we call on you. Chineke, Aina Pogi. Oluwa, Ebekele o. Ubangiji, Kainesa Kimu. One voice rising from Africa. From the east to the west we pray. From the north to the south we say. No matter the tongue we speak, now one God we see. Oluchukwu, hear our cry. From the earth up to the sky, guide our steps, seal our land. We put our lives in your hand. Oluchukwu, forever reign. In our joy and in our pain. One voice, one love, one truth. Oluchukwu,